This Hell's Kitchen scratch-resistant fry pan is like a superhero in your kitchen. It can handle many tasks. The pan has 3 layers. This helps it heat up quickly and evenly, so your food cooks just right. You won't face a cooking disaster with this pan. It meets my expectations for a good fry pan. The non-stick surface of the Hell's Kitchen scratch-resistant fry pan is amazing. Food slides off easily, cleaning is a breeze, and you save water. Plus, it resists scratches. You can even use metal utensils. This is a big change from other non-stick pans. Many reviews praise this feature. You won't need replacements soon. This Hell's Kitchen scratch-resistant fry pan is versatile. You can use it on any stovetop. It's also safe for the oven. The ergonomic handle makes it easy to hold. It feels good in your hand. This pan is a great inversion for any home chef. Forget those old, sticky pans. This one will not disappoint. Pros: non-stick surface, scratch-resistant, ergonomic handle, dishwasher safe, multi-cooktop use. Oven safe, heats evenly, easy cleanup, durable build, metal utensil safe, PFAS free. Cons: can be pricier option, durability is questioned, uneven heating reported, handle might get hot. Cleaning can be tricky, not fully scratch-proof, potential for warping, lighter than expected. Features: brand, Hell's Kitchen, type, fry pan, size, 11-inch, material, tri-clad hybrid, non-stick surface, scratch-resistant, handle, ergonomic, dishwasher safe, cooktop compatibility, multi-cooktop, oven safe. This Hell's Kitchen 11-inch fry pan has a special 3-layer metal design for fast and even heating. It has a non-stick surface that stops food from sticking and is tough against scratches. The handle is made to feel good in your hand. You can wash it in the dishwasher. It works on all kinds of stoves and can also go in the oven. This Hell's Kitchen 11-inch fry pan is made with 3 layers of metal to heat food evenly and has a non-stick coating that helps keep food from sticking and makes it easy to clean. It's safe to use on all kinds of stovetops and can even go in the oven. The handle is designed to be comfortable to hold, and you can wash it in the dishwasher. It's also made to be tough and safe to use with metal cooking tools. Plus, it doesn't have some potentially harmful chemicals. However, it might cost more than some other pans. Some people wonder if it will last a long time, and there have been reports of it heating unevenly or the handle getting hot. Also, even though it's non-stick, it might not be completely scratch-proof. Could possibly change shape over time, and some people might find it lighter than they expected.